I'm sorry, I got to bring over the microphone. I'm going to have a hard time recording this video without the mic. Okay, listen up. Welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. We're off to a rocky start. Today is January 3rd, 2020. Oh, boy. It's going to be a little bit before I get used to that. Let's jump into the market. BTC USD on the 1 day for Coinbase is $7,310. Look at this move. Awesome. Let's jump right into it. Let's zoom right into this and see what it looks like. All right. So, I was fooling around on my phone and made this channel here, this channel that we're working in. It's like a downtrend channel. We've hit the top area of it. What I'm looking for still, and this hasn't changed, is that big up. However, yesterday, if you were looking at the chart, everything was saying down, down, down. I did expect maybe a little bit of up, but I didn't expect this massive move to the upside. So I kind of watched it play out, and yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. Now, here's the thing. Here's the thing I gotta share with you, okay? You never know when a trend is gonna start. And that is why, based on my rules of the 9-day moving average is the white line right here. That is why I get on the right side of the trade with the 9 typically, usually, okay? So, for example, if you were, back here, right? The 9 broke. It broke the 9 price action, and then it broke even lower, right? And this was confirmation. This day was confirmation of that. All of your indicators looked real bearish on that day. There was no way for you to know as a trader that this bad boy was going to rocket up to the moon based on a daily chart, okay? So if you're a no-lifer, right, and you sit in a basement and you stare at the screen with a 15-minute chart your whole life, you will catch this move to the upside. No problem. No problem. But we don't trade like that. We don't care about that. We don't have the time. All of us have lives, and we're going to miss this first initial move. This was ridiculous, by the way. That was amazing. And when you're on the right side of the trade, if you see it going up, man, if it breaks that 9, get in it. It's okay. Get in it. Now, yes, it does suck that these things blow out of nowhere and you're like, whoa, where did that come from? Because we already got a touch basically on our downtrend right here, and we were already working on coming down. In fact, even my volume indicator was down. All of my indicators over here, like your RSI and God mode, they were all very negative on this day right here. And then whammo. You just don't beat yourself up on the trade. Don't be mad at yourself because this happened. There's no way you could know this. So that's why everything needs to be taken with the grain of salt, and don't take yourself too seriously, because this market is designed to make a fool out of you. For example, this one was coming down, down, down. We were very bearish for days. On this day right here, we were extremely bearish on all indicators. RSI was bleeding out. And then, bam, if you were watching the 15-minute chart, you would have caught this move. I'm sorry. There's just nothing that you could do about this move. And there's nothing you could do about this move. There's so many times where we're like, there's nothing we could do about this move. Okay. There are times when the market pops to the upside and leaves you in the dust. And then there are times when the market gradually eases up into a trade, and that's an easy trade. But I don't know what the percentage is on that, but if you try to buy in here, chances are you're trying to catch a falling knife and you get wrecked, or here, right? You never know. And then you never know when this big up is going to come. So I'm just putting that out there. Guys, don't feel bad about this happening. All you can do is look at this. I'll leave that up there. All you can do is look at the chart and say, all right, indicators are looking good. I like my levels. I love where we're at on the chart. Let's see if we can get in on it now, right here. Okay. And now we're getting in it. And here's the other thing. Perhaps this will come down and give a retest of the 9-day moving average right here. That would be a better entry than paying for it up here, I would think. There's a possibility that it never does come back here to retest, and then we just keep running up. I don't know. Actually, nobody knows what the market's going to do. But if I had to guess, heck of a fake out, guys. Real good fake out right here. Even God mode still isn't in real buy it territory, which is a shame because the difference from the bottom here at 6,850 to the top of this at 7,400, and it's still not a buy on God mode. That's pretty crazy, right? I mean, that's why you cannot rely on indicators, right? You need to be a price action trader and look at where price is moving with candles more than indicators. Okay, so if you're following the trend trade, you got to get on the right side of the trend, and the trend could be reversing. We could see this as a possible bottoming out right here, and we could see a blast to the upside, possibly up into these two levels right here, either 92 or 86. I'd love to see it come up over here. Since we only pulled back this far, I would say 92 is more likely. But if we pulled back even further, like say down here to the 54 level, I would expect to bounce up to this area. So that's how I'm looking at it right now. I'm saying Bitcoin is now in a buy it situation. Let's move on to switching this out right here. Boom, boom. LTC BTC for you guys in the KG2 trade. Let's check it out. All right, so let's see here. I love this bold move right here, and I love how we got shaken out, right? And it just broke down below the 9-day moving average and the 20-day moving average. Once you see a breakdown like this is a good call, especially since RSI is so weak right now. I'm going to, honestly, on the LTC BTC call, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait and see if we get more downside, because my volume is still pushing down even though we came up with price action. I'd hate to buy high right here only for it to smash down even lower, maybe tomorrow. But I'd like to see this open and close above the 9 before I get back in and commit to it. Okay, LTC BTC, stay out of it. LTC USD, wow, look at that. Indicators are, they are close. Now they're telling two different stories, and we haven't broken this high at 43.92. Hard to tell if this is a good entry point. Let's see. Like LTC BTC, I'm going to wait and see if we get a full open and close above the 9 before buying in. I want to see strength here in this market continue to the upside. Okay, so we're going to stay out of that. How about ETH BTC? Still looking okay. Wow, look at that. Still going up. I love where we're going with our volume. Stay in it. ETH USD. Wow, we had a big day here. And again, I'm going to leave it right here and we're going to see how this closes. If we can still close above the 9, it might be a good entry, maybe even lower, maybe a buy-in at the 9. We will see. All right, so ETHUSD, stay out of it. XTZ, still a stay out of it situation. I'm not interested. XTZ USD, still on the downtrend, stay out of it. Bitcoin Cash BTC. This was one of our lucky winner chicken dinners. Wow, look at this move. So we've been in it since back here on December 27th. It's gone up pretty good. We're now living above the 200-day moving average, and we got a big boost on Bitcoin Cash for the market. Everyone seemed to want to get into Bitcoin Cash. It moved real nice to the upside. Getting a little water here. All right, how about we stay in Bitcoin Cash BTC. Bitcoin Cash USD, we just got out of it, which was a total shame. And then whammo, all of a sudden every indicator reversed and we got blast off immediately. This is awesome. This means that our targets higher could potentially be reached. Now, I'm going to have to say we got out on this 9. I think that's it. I think we just got out on the 9 because I'm not really playing Bitcoin Cash, but I would say this is definitely a buy. I love this move. It went through the 20-day moving average, the 9-day moving average, and the 50-day moving average. This is powerful stuff right here. Okay, let's put this in as a buy. Boom, and lock it down. I like it. Bitcoin Cash USD is a buy. How about ETH Classic BTC? Ooh, looking good. Okay. How are we gonna treat this? Same thing. I'd prefer to buy it on the 9. We still have diminishing volume, and God mode doesn't look that great. So I am actually, man. We did buy it on, so here's the deal. We scalped it up here to buy back on the 9, and we got it. Bam. On this day, it was a buy and went up. I don't like this God mode at all, but I love where our positioning is. We've been winning this whole time, really. I mean, Ethereum Classic, a buyback here on 12th of December, all the way up. This is awesome. So I would say just stay in it. This is concerning, though. I don't like diminishing volume. This is not good. So hopefully it'll touch the 9 and then run higher. So how about Ethereum Classic USD is $4.57 and is a buy. We are getting an uptick in volume. I like that. We did buy back on the 9. That was good. And it slipped a little bit, but we stayed and got in it. Okay. So how about XRP BTC? Okay, stay out of it. We've been out of this for a long time, and while God mode did look real positive, the RSI was super weak, and we just kind of shrugged it off. And I'm glad we did, because that was the right thing to do. Even with everything pumping, XRP didn't really budge. It really didn't budge hardly at all. EOS BTC, let's check it out. EOS. Good job, man. EOS is doing good. But again, because we're out of EOS, I love this pump here today, but it's just like a mirror image of the one before, and we have diminishing volume. I don't like God mode the way it's sitting. I will probably just have to wait on this and see. I hope it doesn't rip our faces off and run higher. I want to see lower. I'd love to see possibly a buyback on the 9. That would be good too. So EOS, stay out of it. EOS USD, also I'm going to stay out of it and see if we can get an open and close on here. God mode, not quite doing it yet. Stay out of it. XLM, Stellar Lumens, BTC. Stay out of it. Ooh, not good. Stellar Lumens USD. How about that one? Not yet. Not yet. I love this bullish engulfing candle here, and it could result in something wonderful. But RSI is being a dog right now. Just isn't screaming get in it. And I don't know. We're getting a tightening of the Bollinger Band, so we could have a big breakout coming. But I don't want to get head faked. We'll say that. We don't want to get head faked. We'll wait. I like the positioning above the 20-day moving average and above the 9. In most cases, I'm like, yeah, this is awesome. But it's shown real sideways and real kind of, this isn't real strength, really. I mean, yeah, I don't like this. XRP USD is 19. Oh, wait. Was that? What happened here? Where did I go? XLM USD. There it is. Yeah. 4 cents, 4.5 cents. I don't think so. Rep BTC. Stay out of it. Rep USD, $8.86. It is getting an uptick in volume, but it's not a buy yet. Stay out of it. How about 0x? 0x BTC is a stay out of it. 0x USD, stay out of it also. Doesn't look too good. ZEC BTC, stay out of it. ZEC USDC. See, this is funny. It's above the 20-day moving average, but look at this slug. It's just slowly moving. I don't like this. Stay out of it. Algo USD, stay out of it. Link USD, stay out of it. BAT USD, basic attention token. We had a sell here. Today's candle was really wide and broad. I'm looking for more sideways more than anything out of this right now. And God mode doesn't look good. I'd stay out of that. GNT USDC, stay out of it. Mana looking okay. All right. So here's the deal. Yesterday we got in on it because we had a nice move and we managed to open and close above the 9, which was a good call. And then today it went even higher. We just got a new candle rolling in here, and hopefully we'll just continue to stay above the 9 and move up. However, I'm going to warn you that as of right now, this new candle looks a little saggy to me on indicators and saggy to me on volume. So how do we go about this without losing our butts? Okay, let's do this. You see this close right here on the 9? We're going to turn that red. That's going to be a stop sell. And I'm going to mark it as such right here as a... Oh, I'm sorry. What the heck? Yeah, we're going to do the stop sell right there. So if it drops below that red line, we'll get out. Okay, refresh this. We're in it, but if it dips below that, we're going to get out. And we'll probably take a little bit of a loss from our entry point, right? Because we usually enter on the closes. And you could take a small loss. But a small loss will be fine if you get out now and it rolls over down back to support. That would be a real bummer. So Mana USD, we're staying in it. How about Loom? Loom had a great day. Wow. Love indicators. Love what it's doing. I'm going to say we're going to get in it right here. Boom. Lock it down. We were saying it could go bullish, and it did. Wow, that's kind of great. But we did get rejection at the Kumo cloud. We got rejection at the 50-day moving average, and we finished right on the Bollinger Band. What's going to happen now? Well, here's what I would do. If you're not in the trade, buy it on the 9. Never pay full price if you can help it. So Loom USD, we're going to just put that in as a buy for now because of positioning and that power move. We love that. CVC on Coinbase on the 1 day. Stay out of it. We're going to stay out of it for now. Yeah, I don't, it looks like a dog, and I don't want to, I don't want to put money on a dog right now. Okay, and this one here is DNT. Looking good. Power move, love that. It's above the 9. The problem is my RSI doesn't look great, and God mode is okay, but the positioning is great. Power move, volume. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait on this and see if we get a full open and close above the 9. They've got a lot of time left, and it could blast off, right? If that's the case, maybe your stop buy should be in right here. Like, you'll stop buy. We'll go blue with that, and I'm gonna label that as a stop buy. So SB. There you go. Okay. So that's your stop buy on that line. If it wicks up and starts running, you're going to want to get in it. But and then you're paying a big price. Or you could take that stop buy and just say, hey, if it comes down to here, I'll buy it. Right? That's not really a stop. That's just a better entry. Right? We're just hoping for something like that. So it depends on how you want to play this. You could play it above or you could play it below. I like the idea of not paying full price. It could wick up here, trigger a buy, and then crash right back down. Nobody wants that. But if it wicks down, I'd like to be bought in. That'd be cool too. So, yeah, we're going to leave this right here. It's still a sell from back here. But if you get a triggered buy on the 9, might be a good thing. Okay. We're going to see how this open and close finishes for the day. All right, that's it for today, guys. God bless you. Hope your day's going well. I will see you tomorrow. All right, I'm out.